Mairang Presbyterian Science College kabarika college kabala plit tang nakabantagi papuli ka science stream ha ka lipotric nai wing arja arpulai kala yoban plino saya ka arts stream. Ya kanila wan pri daw menteri katanat puli puti ka sarkar jalla urakam is sangma ubalong kumukong san haringkat ka jinga don lang advisor katanat puli puti ka sarkar jalla uba HM Changpliang UMDC ka Mairang constituency uba bat scam rintathyang u principal ka college uba ar thangkhiu ki nohikai ki khna school lambat ki we ki balasha khot ngobha. Shushu ka ning sngi na lor jing play ka arts stream nagalyang menteri ul yo ruban punko burame ki kattu ka ningot ki samla puli ki bala pas pha ha ki examen prepare jong ki snam bala dam habakran ka ning sngi urakam e sangma ul ro ek jing I hun man sim jong ki nongseng banyngkong jong ka ning school ki parang don lang ha ka ning sngi ban sakhi ki so ka jingtreishitom jong ki ka bada ki snam da ka jing IT met bat man sim jong ki ka ning school kala yeng kumne kumba kalong menta. But kalawan ra ru iki klur ki pala pas ki examen prepare dak jingyat bo play ula ay ka baynong jongki.
It's my prayer that this college, as has been grown, will continue to shine and to grow in the days to come. Just before we coming in, a reverend and the principal was talking to us that numbers is just 400 and 500. Don't be discouraged with the number of our students in study. So I always used to say, the quality of the church, the quality of any institutions does not measure with the size of the buildings and with the size of the students in the congregation. But the quality of any institutions and the church, we can see, it's a testimony of the blessing, the testimony of the commitment those in the behind the scene and who have sacrificed for the cause. I think today I'm pleased and I'm honored to present the award and would like to congratulate the college, the staff, and my dear students who have performed well in the various academics, session and examination in the previous years. And it's a testament of this college. And it's my prayer that our young boys and girls, those who have received their awards today, it's a testimony of the commitment of this college and of your service and your sacrifice. And it's my prayer and my request that you continue to shine and in your testimony be inspired to many across the globe. But thanks to Almighty, thanks to God, that the Christian missionary from overseas, including Reverend Thomas Jones, who is the father of the Khasi alphabet. God sent the missionary to this region and to make difference in many millions of our life today. Had it been not so, imagine how we had been able to do. Our college members are saying today, remember the good things. Remember what has been done for us. Because of the blessing of the Almighty, to the church. And I today would like to thanks. I'm grateful to the church leaders and Presbyterians, all the reverend and the pastor. Not only the gospel, but for our knowledge that built up this foundation and that established this, only the science college in 12, 13 years back. I mean 15 years, 13 years back. Oh no, 15 years back, in 2007 if I'm not wrong. And the objective, and the founding members are still here this afternoon. And they are satisfied today, and they are the most happiest person today. How? because they want to see the glorious improvement, the life, the what called difference in life of many families. By seeing the recipient today, by seeing the performance of the students of this college today, they are satisfied today. They are happy today. And their sacrifice, their commitment, and God really answered the prayer of the men and women of God. Therefore today, I would like to request all my young students, let us continue, be unique and a difference in our life, in our struggle.